Industrial processes require inspection to ensure product quality. Errors often lead to losses and wastage. Inspection is either done manually or with machine vision systems. Currently, developing these systems require professional expertise, a long development cycle, and high costs. Robro Systems is one of the leading providers of visual analysis and action systems, solving complex vision tasks reliably and consistently. We have blended the power of computer vision and deep learning to create Kiara, a visual computing platform. Kiara is a flexible solution that is used for inspection, identification, counting, and monitoring. Kiara connects with various cameras, sensors, and actuators. Its AI engine quickly learns to separate OK and not OK parts. With cloud connectivity and a modern web dashboard, Kiara provides analytics and reports in real time. It increases productivity and is up to 30% more affordable than existing systems, ensuring everyone can provide quality assurance to their customers. Get in touch to know how Kiara can help with your application.